Stuff shows up at thrift store donation doors in every condition and assortment you can imagine, from freshly dry cleaned and pressed clothes to used underwear in the bottom of a box of dishes. Really. Even a real Christmas tree hidden in a fake Christmas tree bag. Things to do when boxing and bagging donations, especially if you are cleaning out someone else's house like a relative downsizing. You know who I mean. First, check pockets and inside stuff. Thrift stores constantly find money, much like money that shows up in the laundry. Look especially in coat, sport coat, and jacket pockets. I have seen over $1,000 in cash found in those places. Don't forget socks, the toes of shoes, and other ingenious hiding spots. Same with books. Flip through them. Forgotten mementos and money are commonly hidden there. My biggest find was over $10,000 of silver coins hidden in a hollowed-out book. Check especially Bibles. You will often find real gold, silver, and gems hiding in costume jewelry. Some vintage costume jewelry is also worth serious money. It is a top category at shopgoodwill.com, all of it found in donations. Check it out sometime. Second, keep sharp stuff separate. Often well-meaning people wrap knives in clothes. Clothes go to clothing sorting so hidden knives can surprise and hurt a processor. Third, skip the liquids and cleaning stuff. A thrift store doesn't know if the bottle of blue liquid is Windex or some homemade concoction. They can't sell them and cost money to get rid of. Fourth, many thrift operations are doing good in your community. Some are just money-grabbing fronts. Be thoughtful about where you donate. Bonus tip: in the U.S., those donation bins cropping up all over retail parking lots are often run by companies that skim the cream and trash the rest. A lot of that stuff ends up in landfills. If you care, look at the label on the bin and Google their name. If you have never heard of them, they might be one of those. That said, many thrift stores support great causes that help local communities. They do the work of turning donated stuff into money to further their mission. Please find those and help them out. Knowledge is power. It's also profit.
You made it to the end. Now you have to subscribe. There is plenty more content designed to help you find the good stuff in thrift stores and at garage sales. Thanks, it helps a lot.